Do you know that sleep controls and trigger and maintain your erection not only at night, but also during the daytime as well? So stay tuned to this episode from beginning to end. I want to give you some very surprising reason how sleep is affecting your erection and also your mood. I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. All right, let's dive into it. Sleep is something important that we do every day, but yet we take it for granted how important it is to our life. Sleep is essential for our attention, but it's also essential for your sex life. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know why men get morning wood. I talked about in my last video here, and that sleep duration and quality affect your testosterone and also your blood flow health as well, and how not having good sleep, like sleep apnea, can contribute to your ED. So what happens to your erection during sleep? In my last video, I talked about how a man can get 3 to 5 nighttime and morning erection when during sleep, particularly at rapid eye movement, right? And it can last for about 20 minutes to even 30 minutes to even 40 minutes as well. So key point here is that when you are in rapid eye movement or REM sleep, you actually feel more relaxed, and therefore you put a brake on your erection. You don't have that stress factor like something called epinephrine. Number two, your relaxation nerve, which is parasympathetic, which parasympathetic means erection, and nitric oxide increases during REM sleep, and therefore allow the blood to fill in the penis. And then number three, and that when you're sleeping, is Mother Nature way of exercising your penis, making sure that you have enough oxygen so that way your penis doesn't become scarred down. So that's the three important things. The next part is that why do you have erection in the first place? Erection when you're sleeping is Mother Nature's way of stretching, bringing more blood flow, and allowing you to kind of exercise the penis while you sleep. But it's only critical when you are in good quality sleep, which is rapid eye movement, which is when you dreaming. No, most of the time you don't know that you're dreaming at all, but you know that you're dreaming. Sometimes when you wake up, you will have that kind of like peaceful feeling. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. But do you know that good quality sleep, which is about 7 hours of sleep with multiple episodes of REM, actually increases your testosterone, and then it will also help increase nitric oxide, which then increases blood flow, which then help with daytime erection. But not only that, it will also help with your mood, decreasing depression and decreasing anxiety. Studies have shown that if you have less than 5 to 6 hours of sleep per night, several nights in a row, it will actually reduce your testosterone level in healthy men. And that if this is repeated over a period of time where you're not getting good sleep, you're gonna have lower sex drive or libido, fatigue during the day, as well as reduced morning erection. So chronic sleep deprivation not only contribute to ED, but will also contribute to your sex drive and also your mood as well too. That's something to remember, guys. So how long is long? The study shows that if you go for a week that you're not getting good sleep, that will start affecting your erection as well as your testosterone. Now let's talk a little bit about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where you have excessive snoring. Sometimes you're not getting enough oxygen into your nose or your mouth, and it affects your brain. Well, if you have sleep apnea, it decreases oxygen. It will also increase sympathetic activity, which then inhibit erection and then also cause kind of what we call oxidative stress or kind of like inflammation stage. But the bottom line is that sleep apnea will actually affect the inflammation of the lining of the blood vessel, causing decreased blood flow, reduces nitric oxide synthesis, and also decrease your sex drive as well. So very, very important. Short sleep duration and poor sleep quality is associated with ED because it lowers your testosterone, increases inflammation, and decreases blood flow and your mood. So if you're noticing decreased morning erection and you're also noticing decreased sex drive, then you need to look at your sleep quality, all right? So how do you know? Sometimes you can go to get a sleep study. Ask your doctor to order a sleep study test for you. Now you can even get the sleep study at home. You will put the monitor on and it will monitor the quality of your sleep to determine how you're sleeping as well as determine whether you have sleep apnea. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So those are the things you really need to look at closely because sleep is so important and it will affect how you function during the day, your alertness, your productivity. So you're starting to feel, if you're feeling fatigued, you're feeling low libido, and your erection's not as good as it used to be, and your mood's not as good as it used to be, then you need to get your sleep study test. And you'll know if you're having frequency of morning erection, whether it's decreased or not as well, because that's another indicator as well. So prioritize your sleep, get 7 hours of sleep, good quality sleep, go to bed on early schedule. I recommend going to bed no later than 11 o'clock and decrease your screen exposure on the phone 2 hours before you go to bed. Don't take caffeine more than past 6 p.m. before your bedtime. And also alcohol, believe it or not, will also affect your sleep quality as well too. Unfortunately, you drink alcohol most of the time at night, but alcohol do affect sleep quality. Believe me, I like my wine too, and I will feel it sometimes when I go to my wine dinner party as well. So the bottom line is erection is not just about arousal or blood flow at all. It affects your mood, affects your testosterone, affects your energy level. It will also affect your productivity. It will affect even daytime. So it's not just about erection alone. So get that good sleep quality. If not, get a sleep study test. So I hope you find this is helpful and that it will guide you on what you need to do for getting out of ED. If you need help in ED breakthrough, ED reset, apply to see if we can help you. Click the link down below right here. And I love to see how we can help you get out of ED. They're all alternative to ED. You do not have to suffer. You are not broken and you are not alone. There are at least 30 million men suffering with this and they don't know what to do. And we are here for you at this point. Okay, modern man, let's create a sexual revolution. Let's break down ED and do an ED reset. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence, and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.